Good morning, dear students. Today we will do exercise 11B, question number 4. As we have already done question number 1 to 3, so let's start question number 4. Write as decimals and common fractions. See, here you have given 1.05. Firstly, we will write into the decimals. How to write in the decimals? See, 1.05. Okay. Now convert this decimal part into common fraction. Now how to write common fraction? As we have already done in my previous video. Okay. Now see how to convert. See, firstly we will write the given number as it is 105. Okay. Divided by how many decimal digits are there? There is 2 decimal digits. Okay. So we will write here 2 zeros after writing 1. So the denominator will be 100. Okay. So the common fraction will be 105 divided by 100. Okay. Now see, next question is 4.106. So write 4.106. Okay. Now see, this is 4.106. Now how to write this 4.106 into the common fraction? Firstly, we will write the given number as it is in the numerator part, 54106. Okay. Now how many decimal numbers are after the decimal point? There is 3 decimal digits. Okay. So divided by, we will write 3 zeros after 1. Okay. So this will become 1000. So in common fraction, 4.106 is 4106 divided by 1000. Okay. Now these remaining parts will do it yourself. Okay. Now see, write the place values. For the decimal parts, write the values as a common fraction. Okay. Now see, here you have given 6.0 and you have to write the place value of 6 in this. Okay. As you can see, this 6 is at the ones place. So the place value of 6 is 6. Okay. Now see, 0.6. The place value, you will have to find out the place value of 6. Now here you have given 0.6. So this 6 is now in the 10th place. So the place value is 6 divided by 10. 6 upon 10. Okay. Now next question is 0.06. Here the place value of 6. Now 6 is at the 100th place. So the place value of 0.06 is 6 upon 100. Okay. Now see, 3.28. The place value of 3. Now see, this 3 is at the ones place. So the place value is 3. Now what is the place value of 2? Now see, the place value of 2 is 2 upon 10. Because this 2 is at the 10th place. Now the place value of this 8. Now this 8 is at the 100th place. So the place value of 8 is 8 upon 100. As you can see, after decimal point there is 10th. The place value is 10th. And this is 8 is at the 100th place. Okay. Now see, I part. Here you have given 97.538 and you will have to find out the place value of this 5. Now see, this 5 is at the 10th place. So we will write 5 upon 10. Okay. As we have already done the place value chart in decimals. Okay. In my previous video. Okay. Now see, the place value of this 3 is 3 upon 100. Because 3 is at the 100th place. Okay. Now see, the place value of 8. Find out the place value of 8. Now here, this 8 is at the 1000th place. See, after decimal point, this is 10th, this is 100 and this is 1000th. So this 8 is at the 1000th place. So the place value of 8 is 8 upon 1000. Now the place value of 9. Here now this 9 is at the 10th place. So the place value of 9 is 90. Now the place value of this 7. Now the place value of this 7 is 7 because 7 is at the ones place. Okay. Now the next question is fill in the blanks. Here you have given 0.45. This equal to 4 upon dash plus 5 upon dash. As you can see, this 4 is at the 10th place. So I will write here 10. Okay. Now this 5 is at the 100th place. So I will write here 100. 5 upon 100. So this will become 100. See question number D part. 12.369. We have to find out the place value of all these three. Okay. Now this 12 will become 10 plus 2. According to the place value, this will become 10 plus 2. Okay. Now the place value of 3 is 3 upon 10 because 3 is at the 10th place. Now next is 6 upon 100 because 6 is at the 100th place. And the next is 9 upon 1000 because 9 is at the 1000th place. Okay. Now see question number 7. Here you have given write in the expanded form. Okay. Now see question number C part A. 0.89. Okay. Now 0.89. The place value of 8 is, this is decimal. So leave this 8 upon 10 because the place value of 8 is 10th plus 9 upon 100 because the place value of 9 is 100th. Okay. Now see part C. Here you have given 13.5. 13. The place value of 13 is 10. This will equal to 10 plus 3 plus 5 upon 10 because the place value of 13 is 10 plus 3 and this 5 is 5 upon 8. Now see F part. This equal to 205.502. See, the place value of 205 is 200 plus 0 plus 5. Now, the place value of this 5 is at the 10th place. So, I will write here 5 upon 10. Next is 0. So, I will, this 0 is at the 100th place. And this 2 is at the 1000th place. Okay. So this is the expanded form of 205.502. Okay. Now remaining part that you will do it yourself. Okay. Now see question number 8. Fill in with the short form, means decimal form. Now you have given in the expanded form and you will have to convert this into the decimal form. See, here you have given 5 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. As you can see, 5 upon 10 means 5 is at the 10th place. So, I can write this 0.5. Now, this 8 is at the 100th place. So, I can write here 8. Okay. As you can see, 8 upon 100 we can write as 0.08. So if we add 0.5 plus 0.08, then we will get 0.58. Okay. Now see, here you have given 2 upon 10. So this will become, I can write here 0 also. Okay. It's your wish, you will write here 0 because this 0 has no value. Okay. Now 0.2 upon 10 means 2 is at the 10th place. 3 upon 100. This 3 is at the 100th place. And 5 upon 1000. this 5 is at the 1000th place. Okay, so this will become 0.235. Okay, now see question number 9. Compare and fill in with greater, lesser or equal to. Okay, now see, here you have given 0.5, okay, and 0.09. See, firstly we will convert this into the like decimal. Okay, now this is in the 2 decimal place and this is in the 1 decimal place. Okay, so firstly we will convert this into the like decimal. So I will put here 0. Now compare this. This is 50 and this is 9. Which is greater? 50 is greater. So put sign this. Okay. Now see question number C part B. Here you have given 1 and this is you have given 0.999. So see, if we write here 0. Now compare this in the, now here you have given 1 we can written as in the like decimal form 1.000, and this you have given 0.999. Compare the integral part. Here you have given 1 and here you have given 0. So 1 is greater. Okay. Now see D part 0.6 and there you have given 0.60. If we write here 0, then this will become same as we have done in the equivalent decimals. So these are equal. Okay. Now see E part 0.47 and here you have given 0.39. So you see 47 is greater than 39. So I will put here. Okay. Now remaining these parts you will do it yourself. Thank you.